Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. If you do not know about Khan Marketing, then here I am showing you my journey from $0 to $1000 a day. So click the subscribe button below so that you get notified when I create new videos for this channel. Today my topic is how to make money watching ads online. So I will cover 10 of the very most recommended sites that you can use online and make money. So before starting this, please remember that this is not a full-time income. However, you can make few dollars or few bucks per month, and you can utilize this income to invest in some other projects and get to know how to start your journey and earn a full-time income from home. If you wanted to know how to start and make a full-time income from home, I have mentioned the link in the description box below. This is my number one recommended system, and this will help you to earn full-time income and leave your 9 to 5 job. So let's get started. And the number one site in my list is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is the most legit and the most trusted sites out there. It has paid millions of dollars over the years, and apart from watching ads, you can find tons of opportunities to make money online. However, today our topic is just by watching ads. So here you could find a section related to watching videos, and when you watch video, there they will show you ads which lets you earn Swagbucks. Swagbucks is actually a points, and once you have enough points, you can convert those points for gift cards, or even they will pay you through PayPal. So it is one of the trusted and the most recommended method. Most importantly, it is free for everyone. You can join it for free. And now let's move to the another site, that is Neobucks. Neobucks is actually a pay-to-click site which is also free for everyone. You can register it for free, and once you become its member, then there you could find a section called view advertisements. So when you click on view advertisement, you could see different ads out there, and each ad will give you fraction of a cent, or some ads will give you 1 cent, and you could earn daily few cents by watching ads. However, in order to make a handsome money, you need to make referrals. You need to recruit other people under your downline. So when they will earn, Neobucks will share a few percentage with you. So once you have 1,000 of referrals under your downline, so you can imagine to earn few bucks on a daily basis. But if you do not know how to recruit, then it would be difficult for you to earn a reasonable income with Neobucks. So before starting with Neobucks, I recommend you should know how to make referrals. One more thing, Neobucks also has a rented referral option. You can buy referrals from Neobucks. However, I recommend this option for the more advanced users, because there are few things that need to be considered, otherwise your balance could get lost. So I never recommend this option for the beginners. The number third option is Perk.tv. Perk.tv is also a great site for the people who are looking to make extra income from watching ads. It is a subsidiary of Omegle and is somehow taken to be better option if you want to make money watching short videos, and each short videos contains different ads. So I hope you get the idea. You can even earn more money by performing web searches on Perk, and also by shopping online. All of these tasks, like watching ads, web searches, and shopping online, will reward you in the form of perks or points. Those perks can be redeemed for cash, gift cards, merchandise, or you can donate to charity. You can also get the chance to earn with the perk tokens that can be redeemed to enter sweepstakes. The fourth one in our list is GPT Planet. GPT Planet is a get paid to site, and here you can join and register it for free. Once you register, you can click on view ads and you could find different ads and you could see the site stats out there. This site has over half a million people and it has paid nearly over $1 million. So, and the site is running for nearly 10 or 12 years, so it is one of the most legit sites out there. You could see different ads, just need to click that ad and each ad will reward you a certain fraction of a cents. You could earn that cents within a few seconds. So in order to earn a handsome money, you need to recruit people, and by recruiting people you could use different options like creating a website, running your YouTube channel, advertising on other pay-to-click sites, and the most recommended method is creating your own blog. The next site is Donkey Mails. Donkey Mails is also a GPT site and it is also one of the most trusted site out there. You can join it for free. Just click on the sign up button and you could easily join this site. Once you join, you could also find tons of ads in the members area, and again for this site you need to recruit people in order to earn some handsome money. So I recommend you to create a blog, create a channel, or use social media to promote your affiliate link and get as much affiliates as possible. The next option is app trailers. App trailers is a site which lets you install an app on your mobile and all you need is to watch videos. Each video contain ads which usually last for few seconds. Those company, the advertising company, pay the app trailers and app trailers share this revenue with people like us who are watching ads. Normally the video length is around 30 seconds. Along with the 30-second ad, each video will reward you 5 points. So remember that 10 points are equivalent to 1 cent. So if you spend 1 hour on watching videos, then you can do the math. Hope so. Expectedly you can earn up to 300 points, which are approximately equal to 30 cents. Each of those points gathered accumulated in your account, once it reaches the specified limit, you can redeem them for different rewards. Those rewards can be Amazon gift cards, Foot Locker, iTunes gift cards, and many more. Our next option is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is also one of the most legit site out there, and it is part of a group which has been in existence for more than 10 years. The great thing about this site is you can join it for free and claim your $5 bonus. They have an option watching TV. You need to watch TV, and when you are watching TV they will show you different ads. So each ads will earn you points which you can later convert them for different rewards. So Inbox Dollar is also one of the recommended site out there. You can see that it has paid over 57 million cash rewards over the period of time. They have also other option as well, like surveys, games, coupons, shopping, and etc. The next site in our list is Quick Rewards. Quick Rewards is also a get paid to site which have options like service, shopping, offers completion, playing games and watching videos, and each video will contain a certain number of ads that last for few seconds. All you need is to view that ads, and which will earn you money. And this site also works on the same basis just like the other sites are working. And once you have reach a specified limit, you can convert your points for different options like PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, and other gift cards. Next site, Future Points. It is also one of my favorite site. You can install their app on your mobile or cell phone, and this site has been in existence since 2012 and it has paid over $5.6 million. There are different options for earning money, and with respect to earning ads, you need to watch their videos. So once you watch their videos, they will display certain ads, and all you need is to watch those ads and they will give you points. Once you have enough points, you can convert those points for different options: Best Buy gift cards, Walmart gift card, Target, and Macy's gift card. So let's move to the Weagle. This is my last site in the list, and Weagle is also one of the trusted site out there for watching ads. Weagle is named out to be one of the easiest ways by which you can watch the favorite TV shows and listen to music. You can download their app on your Android or Apple device. You just need to tap the app at the time of watching TV or streaming on Netflix, Amazon, or Hulu, and you will see that the ads running on the videos. All you need is to watch their ads, and each ad will reward you certain points, and you can convert those points for different rewards. So I hope that's all for today. I hope this video will guide you how you can make money watching ads. So if you have any question, please ask me in the comment section. For making money, I have mentioned the link in the description box. That is my most recommended system. Thank you.